Today I'm going to show you how to replace your watch band with one of our one-piece watch straps. One of the main parts you'll need for this process are the pins that are going to be located within the packaging of the one-piece strap. Another tool that's going to be helpful for this process is going to be located at the bottom of the packaging. This is going to help you take the pins in and out. The first step of this process is going to be removing the quick release band on your watch. These little pushers right here activate the spring bar pins to allow you to remove and insert the band easily. This can easily be done with your fingers, but you could also use the tool in the packaging that it comes with to remove them. Now that we got the watch case by itself, it's time to add those spring bars. Go back to the packaging and empty out the spring bars right here. Now this could also be done with your fingers, but I find it a little easier to be done with the tool. So I'm going to show you how to do it both ways. This one was done just with my thumb, and this one was done with the tool. Either way, you're going to want to spin the bar and kind of move it back and forth to make sure it's securely in those two holes. Now that you've gotten the pins added to the case, it's time to add your one-piece strap. The first step you're going to do is you're going to take the longest part of the strap here and you're going to weave it into the top bar and around the back of the watch. This is going to allow it to pass through the whole watch and so it sits behind the case. Then you're going to want to weave it through the bottom bar and pull it so it's tight and sitting firmly against the back of the case of the watch. When you're done, it should look nice and smooth like this. Now that you're at the end, just take the tail of the strap and feed it through the bottom metal loop, and your one-piece strap is good to go. Now your watch has a whole new look and is ready to rock.